So, what if I told you the price list and release date of the DJI Mini 5 Pro have basically just been confirmed? Yep, the internet just leaked everything. Images, prices, even launch bundles, and people are freaking out. Some are hyped, others are skeptical, and honestly, this drone might just change the game for 2025. Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down all the juicy leaks, from the click-on propellers everyone's cheering for, to the insane 52-minute batteries, to the official September launch date. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Alright, let's start with the design because this one has sparked a lot of noise. The Mini 5 Pro is bringing back the classic click-on propellers. If you've ever messed around with the Mini 3 series, you know what a pain those tiny screws were after a crash. Or worse, when your backpack chewed up your blades. Fans of the old Spark and Mavic Air are basically popping champagne right now. And that's not all. Clip-on ND filters are coming too, tailored for the new 1-inch sensor. We're talking ND8, ND16, all the way up to ND128. That's cinematic territory right there, folks. Imagine Mavic 4-style footage from something that weighs under 250 grams. Wild. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The leaks confirm an E24F 1.8 lens, great for low-light shooting and sharp detail. And get this, the retail box art straight up shows the DJI RC2 controller bundled in. That means no more juggling your smartphone, just pure flying focus. But the jaw-dropper? A massive battery upgrade. The Fly More combo is showing 3 batteries, each rated up to 52 minutes of flight. Do the math. That's more than 2.5 hours of airtime in one kit. For a mini-series drone, that's a monster leap. Travelers, creators, even casual weekend pilots, this is a game changer. Okay, let's talk about numbers because this leak didn't hold back. Here's the pricing breakdown without VAT. €614 for the drone only with a 37-minute battery. €742 for the drone plus RC2. €922 for the Fly More combo with the standard battery. €986 for the Fly More combo with the extended 52-minute battery. And the accessories? Pretty solid. $69 for the standard intelligent flight battery, $99 for the extended battery, $49 for the two-way charging hub, $19 for spare props, and $55 for the full ND filter set. Honestly, that's surprisingly reasonable for DJI standards. It looks like DJI wants this to be accessible while still flexing those premium features. Now, the million-dollar question, when can you actually buy it? According to DJI leaker Ann Keat, the official launch date is set for September 16, 2025. That's literally right around the corner. The Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the FCC, which basically guarantees a US release. But here's the catch. Import delays and customs restrictions under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act could slow things down for American buyers. DJI says they're not leaving the US market, so the drone will arrive. But at first, availability might be a little limited. Global launch mid-September. US buyers just need a touch more patience. So here's the bottom line. DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like a beast. ND filters, 52-minute batteries, RC2 bundles, and sharp pricing with a September launch. The real question, does it earn the Pro name? Some say it rivals the Mavic, others call it hype. What do you think? Picking one up on launch day? Drop a comment, and if this kept you ahead of the leaks, hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more launch coverage.